Hello everyone. Shall we do some phonics today? Brilliant. Bounce the sounds 3 times. B, 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 d, 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 g, 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 t, t, Fantastic, everyone. I have got some pictures here today, and today we are not looking and listening for the first sound. We're going to be listening carefully for the last sound, the sound at the end. So listening carefully for the final sound. My turn, your turn. Huff. Cuff. Cliff. Well done. Did you hear the last sound? Let's really focus on that last sound. My turn, your turn. Huff. Cuff. Cliff. Well done. What was the last sound in huff, cliff, cuff? It was the sound. Well done. But we've already learnt the sound. Oh, this is a different sound. Would you like to see? It's a very special sound. Well done. This is a special sound because it has 2 F's together that make the sound. So if it's 2 letters making 1 sound, it is a digraph. A digraph is 2 letters that makes 1 sound. Your turn. A digraph is 2 letters that makes 1 sound. It doesn't make the sound no. Together it makes the sound. Lovely. Okay, I am going to robot some words and you are going to blend. Wake up your blending arm. Your first word is puff. Puff. Well done. And your next word is cuff. Cuff. Amazing. And last word, listening carefully, is shuffle. Shuffle. Like, can you shuffle your feet? Shuffle, 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 shuffle. Lovely. Okay, your turn to be the robot. Robot arms, put in some super strong batteries today. Make sure they're working. Your first word is riff. Off you go. Well done. Riff. Riff. And your next word, listening carefully, is fluff. Off you go. Everyone, fluff. Fluff. Do you have any fluff on your clothes? Pick off all the fluff. And last word, are you ready? Is muffin. Off you go. Muffin. Lovely, everyone. Okay, can you remember our sound? It's a special sound today. Well Well done. It's not f or f. It's f. Lovely. We are going to read some words. When we read, what do? We look at the letters, make the sounds, blend the sounds together. Everyone joining in, we. Fantastic. Okay, sitting up straight, looking carefully. Are you ready for your first word? Off we go. Everyone. Ha. Lovely. And next word. Looking at the word. All together. Puff. Like, can you huff and puff? Oh, if you're a bit tired, you might huff and puff. Whew. And last word, are you ready? Off we go. Everyone. Cuff. Fantastic. I'm going to flash the words. Try and see if you can remember them. Huff. Puff. Cuff. Puff. Very good. Okay, we are going to practice writing our sound today, and our sound is remember, we could write our like this, but we do it a special way to help with your writing when you get much bigger and you join your letters together. So let's do it together. Are we ready? We are going to go down the flower, across the leaves, and straight into the next one. Down the flower, across the leaves. Because these two F's, the two F's together, are very good friends, so they stay close together. Then we do a finger space. We go down the flower, across the leaves, down the flower, across the leaves. Lovely. Make sure you do a finger space. Down the flower, across the leaves, down the flower, across the leaves. And what sound are you writing? Well done. Keep practicing. Lovely. Okay, we are going to write some words. When we write words, what do? We say the word, say the word, say the word. Robot the word, write the word. Everyone joining in, we. Lovely. Robot arms ready. Your first word is huff. Off you go. Huff, huff, huff. And writing it down. Huff. Think carefully about the sounds. Okay, we are going to write it together. Are we ready? Off we go. First sound is H. So a tall letter. H. Well done. So we go down the flower, across the leaves, down the flower, across the leaves. Huff. Huff. Lovely. The f sound was at the end. It could have been the single f sound, but it is not usually the single f sound at the end. Usually if you hear the f sound at the end of a word, or sometimes in the middle of the word, it is usually always the digraph. And would you like to know another special secret? If you hear the f sound at the start of the word, like flower or fun, it is never, ever, 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 ever the digraph at the beginning of a word. It is always the single f at the beginning, and the digraph usually goes at the end or in the middle of words. Lovely. Let's write another word together. Robot arms. And your next word is cliff. Off we go. Cliff, cliff, cliff. 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 And writing it down. Cliff. Thinking carefully. Cliff. Okay, we are going to write it together. Cliff. The first sound is k, so it could be a curly k, a kicking k, or maybe a digraph k. Does a digraph k ever go at the beginning of a word? No, it doesn't. So at the start of cliff, it is a curly k. L, k, l, I. And it's at the end, so it's the digraph. Cliff, k, l, I, cliff. Well done, and make sure you've started on this side of the page or the board and you have written towards the sun. Well done, everyone. Fantastic phonics today. I think you should give yourselves a fantastic. Get your fans out. Fantastic. Amazing. I'll see you next time. Bye.